everyone, welcome back to my channel Sparklingbeautybee. In today's video we are talking about a jewelry brand that is OBY. So they're known as Origin Beauty Paris jewelry brand, which is a new brand to me, and I'm very excited to share this with you guys. Thank you OBY for kindly sending me some wonderful pieces that I have been eyeing for a long time. I have seen this jewelry brand online many times and I really wanted to try them out in person, and Origin Beauty Paris jewelry pieces look so gorgeous online. So when I got the opportunity to pick some pieces, I actually picked the ones that I have been eyeing. So this is how the jewelry arrived. They also have little bags, so if you want to gift somebody, that's a really good option. So here is the box, which looks really good. I love presentation. In every video I tell you guys when any jewelry brand or makeup brand approach to me, and first thing that I notice is how they present, because I think the first impression is really important. And this box is really nice and sturdy, it looks good. And then individually they pack their jewelries in these little pouches, which are so beautiful. So I feel like when they comes in a beautiful way like this, you can always save your jewelry pieces securely and nicely. And also it's a great option if you want to gift somebody. So if you just buy online and send them directly, you don't have to worry about the packaging, because gifting season is coming, holiday season is coming, and we all know that we look for, you know, beautiful pieces. And this way you don't have to worry about directly sending your loved ones some gifts. So I will be showing you what I have picked up this time. So let me show you. So first of all, so this is the most gorgeous neck piece that I received. So I have been looking for a pearl necklace for the longest time, and finally this one actually looks exactly what I wanted. So I want to just wear it and show you how it looks on me. So this is how it looks on me, and I think it is super cute. I have been looking for a nice pearl necklace for the longest time, and all I see is the regular ones, which doesn't attract me. I want something to be very unique, and I feel like this is actually really something that was in my mind, and I could not express what I was looking for. But when I saw this, I didn't give a second thought, I just picked it up. And look how gorgeous it is. I think you can wear it like anytime, especially you know, in summertime when you go to the beaches. And also during winter time, I feel like pearls are really nice. I don't know, recently I'm feeling like that. I also got a sweater from H&M last day, which has pearls all over. I feel like with those kind of sweaters I will be able to match this really well. I'm going to wear this with my pearl sweater and post on my Instagram so you guys can see how it looks. So I think I can just really beautifully carry this necklace spring, summer and winter, whatever the season is. And you know, it is made in a way that you can dress it up or down. I can wear it anytime. It is so simple and elegant. I can wear it in the evening outing. I think you will be wearing something really unique when you wear this and stand out when you go in public. It will look so good. So this pearly pendant is known as their natural baroque pearl, and this is a natural pearl. And I love the fact that this pendant actually comes separate. The chain is separate and this is separate, so you can actually pick any of their beautiful chains to match with this. I picked up this beaded one, which is this necklace is called their spheres chain necklace, which is actually really good. I love it. These are made of gold vermeil and really high quality. They coat it on the top of sterling silver, which is really nice. But you can also have the option for, you know, 14K gold jewelry. So it's your choice if you want to go higher with your pricing. You can go for 14K gold and original diamond, natural diamond. But if you want to buy something really stylish and more like everyday wear but not break your bank, you can totally go for you know, pearls, or you can totally go for the natural pearls. You can go with the gold vermeil option, which you can actually use every single day and the color remains the same for a long time. And so this chain is adjustable to 18-inch with a 5-centimeter chain extender. That is what they mention here. So they also have the chain extender. If for me, I think it's a perfect length, but if you need some, you know, more longer, you want it to be hanging below than what I'm wearing right now, then you can add an extender, which will be really good. So also, if you like this necklace, particularly this one, you can go with a bracelet matching with it. I have also seen that online, which I really love. And for this pendant, what I love is that this has a bigger hoop here, so you can actually wear different kind of chains with this particular necklace. You can change the chains, so you can pick any that you love, but I thought that this sphere ones looks really good with this, so I picked it up like to pair them together. Another reason why I picked up this sphere chain, because this has a shimmering effect. I feel like even some days when I will not be wearing the pendant and I would like to wear the chain alone, I can totally do that because I love little sparkles, occasional sparkles, and this chain does that. So yeah, I can wear it with a pendant, I can wear it alone, so it's a really good option for the chain. And this pearl, oh, I just can't take my eyes off. I'm so happy that I own it. Thank you, OBY jewelry. I just absolutely love it. So about this pearl pendant, I also want to mention that you have both gold and silver option. I picked up the gold one because I knew that I'll be wearing it with a gold chain. I always wear a gold chain, never really go for the silver chain. So I picked the gold one, but you also have the silver option because I think a lot of people love wearing silver, especially in the summertime. If you wear it, a lot of people love like white gold or silver, so in that way you can also choose that one. So you have both options, which is really good. I have more jewelries to show you guys, but before that I want to tell you about this brand, that their packaging is eco-friendly, which is really awesome, and their pouches, these are reusable, so in that way they're really eco-friendly. Also, I want to let you know that every single of their pieces are handcrafted with recycled 18 karat gold vermeil and solid sterling silver. So they are reducing carbon dioxide emission by over 60%, which is amazing. So they are eco-friendly in every way. The best thing about these jewelry pieces are they're highly durable and they're made for your everyday. So you can actually rough use them, wear them every single day without worrying of discoloration. Another good thing about the brand is they are very much transparent about their sourcing. They're ethically sourced jewelry pieces. They have lab-grown gemstones, recycled silver, and they use natural pearls, which are amazing. All their products are handcrafted by their experienced team, which is just wonderful. I'm so happy that I came to know this brand. I'm just so obsessed with the pieces. I loved them when I saw them online, but I didn't know they will be this much gorgeous in person. I'm so happy that I have got the opportunity to wear them, try them, and let them know to you guys. These are really like something really you should try by yourself to see the quality. So now I'm going to show you two more pieces that are absolutely wonderful. You guys know I am always big fan of rings, so the next piece I picked up is a ring, which is this one, and look at this ring, it's so gorgeous. So this is an emerald ring, emerald half pave ring, and this is how it looks on my finger. Oh, I love it so much. So I don't own any emerald ring, which I always wanted. I have diamonds, I have sapphire, blue sapphire, which is so gorgeous. I recently got some blue topaz ring. You have seen in my previous videos. What I was missing is emerald ring or any emerald jewelry, and this is just absolutely stunning. I can wear this every single day. This is so elegant and so classic, so dainty that I can just stack it with my other rings, or I can just wear it alone. They look absolutely gorgeous, and they're obviously lab made gemstones, and 18 karat gold vermeil is the material. So this is lab grown emerald and 0.3 carat for the stone size. That's all information about it. And if you go to their website, you see also their care instructions. So you just have to clean it with soft cloth and keep it in airtight jewelry box they have provided with you. And it is better to remove before bed, and do not wear while exercising or any chemical contact, bathing and swimming that they mentioned. Even though I have done that, because for most of my jewelries I don't really take that much care, but with the weather in Canada I have noticed that they barely change any color or anything. They're pretty sturdy, but it is good to take care of your jewelry. If you take them off when you shower or bath, or don't try not to take them in contact of perfumes, which is always the instruction for most of the jewelries, but I do. Nothing happened so far. But if you really want to keep the longevity of these ones, it's better to maintain that if you can. From my personal experience, I would say in Canadian weather, my jewelry pieces remains the same without changing any color, without getting damaged. But when I travel, I go to other countries where the humidity is higher. Sometimes for many of the pieces, not from this brand but from all other jewelry brands, gold vermeil pieces I've seen, sometimes they tend to change their color a bit. So just a precaution, if you're traveling somewhere where you have more humid air, or you live somewhere where the air is humid, you better take them off when you are home or when you're working. So in that way you can save their you can save them for a long time. So my next piece is this princess cut emerald diamond, which is called emerald diamond, and it's princess cut, and this is so gorgeous, so gorgeous. I'm so happy how this looks like, and I have so many dresses that are more like an emerald color. You not necessarily have to match your dresses with your jewelry stones, but when matches, I feel like it just elevates everything even more. So today I'm wearing this emerald t-shirt just because I feel like everything emerald all together looks really good. But obviously you can wear white or any other color, black even. Everything goes well with emerald, and I'm so happy how gorgeous it is looking. It's so standing out beautifully. I'm very happy that I made the right choice. Actually, it was pretty hard to choose like a couple of jewelry pieces, because pretty much everything I looked at I was loving. Their pieces are so time appropriate, they are classic, but at the same time they goes really well with the trend right now. So it was hard to pick up few pieces where I wanted like almost every piece. And now that I'm wearing them in person, seeing them in person, I feel like the other pieces that I have been eyeing are also gorgeous, and eventually I want to get as many possible in my collection. So this is absolutely beautiful. I'm in so much love with it, and this actually comes together with the chain. It is not separate, so you get this chain and the necklace together. It's a set and it is stunning. I will highly recommend this. So I don't know which one I love more. These are very like two different pieces. This necklace is emerald, the other one is pearl, so they're completely different stories. I think you need to have both of these in your collection. And also for you guys, a very good news is that I have 25% discount code, which will be down below in the description box. In that way you can actually save a good amount during your purchase. I'll show you one last item that I have picked up. So cute. Also, before moving on to my next piece, I want to mention you how it is made. It is lab grown, again lab grown emerald diamond cut, and the chain is 18 karat gold vermeil, which is so good. In that way it has kept the price actually more affordable because it's gold vermeil, and this lab grown gemstone looks absolutely stunning. What I really love about this piece is that it sparkles when I move, just because of this emerald cut. It is very unique. So the last piece for today is this absolutely stunning open front bezel emerald ring. So it has a front opening, if you can see here, which is very cute and stylish, and also has emerald at the front, which is very shiny. So I will actually love to wear it, like stacking it together. I think it's very cute to stack it together. Also, if you want to see how it looks like alone, you can wear it alone. And what I love about this ring is that when you have open front, you have much more option to wear it in any of your finger because it's not too tight. Sometimes most of the rings are a little tighter on my index finger, so in that way I can actually wear this one in any of my finger without worrying that it is going to get stuck, because it has middle part open, and it actually makes it look really cute. See, this is the finger where most of the rings are super tight, but this one fits perfectly. So I can always pair them up together. I can wear it in both of my hands, or I can just stack them together. Both ways they look super cute, and such a unique design that looks very cute with any outfit, anytime. So I hope in today's video you got a very good idea about this brand. They are doing really well. I'm super happy to have a very unique and gorgeous collection of the brand. Thank you so much again, Origin Beauty Paris. You just made the most gorgeous pieces for every day. I love really dainty pieces for my every single day, and recently I've been traveling a lot, and I have realized that when you're wearing diamonds and you're wearing a lot of like gold jewelries, there are chances of losing them. I almost lost my diamond ring when I was flying, and I realized that from now on, during travel especially, I would totally go with my gold vermeil pieces because they are safe to wear and they actually fits really well. I don't see any chance of them to, you know, fall off from my hands because they're fitting so good, so well. So yeah, I'm very happy, and I would highly recommend you guys to, you know, look at this brand, go online, check their website. There are tons of different gorgeous pieces, and I think everybody can find something for them. So I hope you really enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below which jewelry is your favorite, what you think about the brand, and which piece you are going to collect. If you like this video today, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll be seeing you on my next video. Bye.